Good morning, March 12th. Oh, it's my day off. This is the part I was talking about where it was leaking. This one is leaking. So I gotta go get a 3/8 one of these. And the last time I changed this one was leaking. So now this one's leaking. I'm about to go run to Kenworth. I'm gonna buy a couple of these and a couple of the bigger ones just to have, because you just never know. Those things are like old. So let's get to Kenworth. So I took it off. It was right here. This one was easy to get to, not like this one back here. This one was right here, and all you need is this, a crescent wrench. I'm gonna take this and go to the dealership and go get a couple of these and a couple 1/2-inch ones. So yeah, so I bought the part. I got 2 of them. They're $10.21 each. Total came out to $22.10. There's these right here. This is the one that's no good. So let's go put this on and see what happens. So we're back at the truck. Gonna install this new one. Just gonna screw this in, and then all you gotta do is push this line in here, and that's it. Fill up the truck with air and check if it's leaking. So let's do that. So it's not leaking anymore. How you check that? You fill up air in your truck, and then you release the tractor brake. You push it in, the yellow one, and you press on your brakes, and you watch your air pressure. And now it's not going down. But before I changed this, I did that and I pressed the brake and it was leaking from in here. So it's all done now. I'm gonna close this truck up, and I guess we'll do the next video on Monday when I get back to work. So